Hey everyone, it's Kathleen with Enjoy the Moment Experience. Today we are at the New England Brick Company. This is another cute place in the Landing in Hudson. There's so many cute places here in the Landing. And this one is amazing. Anyone who is a Lego fanatic is going to love this place. So let's get it started. This is any place you want to sell, buy, trade, anything Lego. I mean, literally, they have some things they don't make anymore. So if you love Legos, you need to take a look at all of the collections that they have. Oh, look at this. It's even lighting up for me as I walk along. This is cool. All right. I'm going to show you some of the different collection of things that they have here. I mean, you could spend days here just exploring to see what they have here. It is really cool. So, Lego fans of all ages, I mean, look at some of these things. They're like just amazing. If you're into Star Wars, if you're into Harry Potter, any of the fandoms, check them out. I'm pretty sure they've got it. Bill Blaisdell, he owns this. He opened this up a couple of years ago. I think it was in 2022, and just continues to curate collections of Lego. I mean, look at this. You've got your own little army here of little figurines. Look at this. Darth Vader's got his stormtroopers. That's hilarious. I'm a big Star Wars person. All right, so let's see if I can walk along here, give you kind of an idea of what they've got here. Look at this. Like I said, you could spend days here just exploring. I'm sure each time you come back, you'll find some other nook in this little, and more than little. They even have bionicles. Bionicles. I should remember that because our sons had that. Look at these things. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize they even had these. Look at the buildings. That is amazing. If you're into Batman, they've got that here. Of course, Marvel. They got all sorts of Marvel stuff. Lego has really done a great job for themselves in just reinventing themselves and having all these creations that you can have just hours. I think I enjoy sharing these experiences with you guys because for some people, putting things together like this is kind of their self-care moment. And, so for me, I like doing artistic things, crafts and things like this. Look at this. This is so cool. They got, again, Legos for all ages. And what's really cool is they've got a Lego pit. I think that's even cool. I might even have to play there myself. This is awesome. So that is the end of the tour for the New England Brick Company. Again, if you're in the Hudson, Massachusetts area, you got to visit the Landing. This is on the 4th floor of the Landing. Check them out, all you Lego fanatics. And until next time, enjoy the moment.